Welcome to our video on 10 fresh ways to use lavender. Lavender is a versatile herb that has been used for centuries for its soothing and healing properties. In this video, we will be discussing 10 different ways that you can use lavender in your daily life to improve your health and well-being. Calming the mind and body. Lavender is known for its soothing and relaxing properties, making it a popular choice for aromatherapy and massage. Improving sleep. The soothing scent of lavender can help promote better sleep, making it a popular choice for bedtime routines. Reducing anxiety and stress. The calming scent of lavender can help to reduce feelings of anxiety and stress, making it a popular choice for people who suffer from these conditions. Relieving headaches and migraines. The soothing scent of lavender can help to relieve headaches and migraines, making it a popular choice for people who suffer from these conditions. Healing cuts and burns. The antiseptic properties of lavender make it a popular choice for treating cuts and burns, helping to prevent infection and promote healing. Repel insects. The strong scent of lavender can repel insects such as mosquitoes, making it a popular choice for outdoor use. Improving skin health. The anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties of lavender make it a popular choice for improving skin health, helping to reduce redness, irritation, and acne. Enhancing hair growth. Lavender oil can be used to massage the scalp to promote hair growth, strengthen hair roots, and improve the overall health of the hair. Aromatherapy. The soothing scent of lavender can be used for aromatherapy to create a calm and peaceful environment. Cooking. Dried lavender can be used in cooking to add a unique flavor to dishes such as desserts, jams, marinades, and more. From its soothing and relaxing properties, to its ability to improve sleep, reduce anxiety, and even promote hair growth, lavender is truly a versatile herb with many benefits. Thanks for watching.